Imagine walking through a fairy tale canyon, surrounded by towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and lush greenery. Welcome to Watkins Glen State Park, New York, one of the most breathtaking and underrated destinations in the U.S. But here's the best part. You can experience this natural wonder on a budget. In this video, I'll show you how to visit Watkins Glen State Park without breaking the bank, the best attractions and hidden spots inside the park, where to find delicious and affordable food nearby, mind-blowing facts that will make you want to visit ASAP. So stay tuned till the end, because you don't want to miss this adventure. Let's get started. How to reach Watkins Glen on a budget. Watkins Glen State Park is located in Finger Lakes, New York, and getting there is easier than you think. By bus. If you're traveling from New York City, take a Greyhound or Trailways bus to Ithaca or Elmira and then hop on a local bus to Watkins Glen. Budget-friendly and hassle-free. By car. Renting a car? A road trip from NYC will take around 4.5 hours. The best part? No parking fee near the park's entrance. By air. The closest airports are Elmira Corning Regional Airport, 40 minutes away, and Ithaca Tompkins International Airport, 50 minutes away. Book your flight early for the best deals. Budget tip. If you're on a shoestring budget, use rideshare apps or travel with friends to split the cost. Top attractions and must-see spots in Watkins Glen. 1. Gorge Trail, the star attraction. This stunning 2-mile trail takes you through 19 waterfalls, stone bridges, and scenic tunnels carved into the rock. Best time to visit? Early morning or late afternoon to avoid crowds. 2. Rainbow Falls, the most iconic spot. This mesmerizing waterfall looks straight out of a fantasy movie. Visit on a sunny day to catch the magical rainbow effect. 3. Suspension Bridge, panoramic views. Walk 85 feet above the gorge and enjoy breathtaking views of the entire park. 4. Central Cascade, the tallest waterfall. Standing at 60 feet high, it's the largest waterfall in Watkins Glen. 5. Seneca Lake, a perfect end to your trip. Just a few minutes from the park, this lake is perfect for boating, wine tasting, or a sunset picnic. Best budget-friendly food near Watkins Glen. After all that hiking, you're going to be hungry. Here are some affordable yet delicious food spots nearby. Gerlando's Ristorante and Pizza Company. Famous for its New York-style pizza and Italian food. Curly's Family Restaurant. Home-cooked American comfort food at great prices. Graft wine plus cider bar. If you love local wines and farm-to-table bites, this is a must-try. Budget tip. Grab fresh produce from local farmers markets or pack a picnic to enjoy inside the park. Mind-blowing facts about Watkins Glen State Park. The park was formed over 10,000 years ago by glaciers carving through the rock. It has 19 waterfalls, making it one of the most scenic parks in the U.S. The name Watkins Glen comes from Dr. Samuel Watkins, who once owned the land. Movies and commercials have been filmed here due to its fantasy-like scenery. It's one of the top-rated hiking destinations in the world. So, are you ready to experience Watkins Glen State Park for yourself? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more budget-friendly travel guides. Drop a comment below if you've been to Watkins Glen or if it's on your bucket list. Until next time, happy exploring.